As more customer interactions move online and business goes digital, understanding what online identities really are and how they can be used is more important than ever. Pipl Search connects professionals to the world's largest data index of online identity information and makes connections to identity elements that others can't. With Pipl Search, a single identifier such as a phone number, username, or email address instantly matches to detailed information about the subject. Let's take a look. Here, you see that an email address was used to initiate a search. That returns a matching identity, structured as an easy-to-read report. An identity can have up to 15 sections. If many or all of the sections appear, this is good for two reasons. A data-rich result is a strong sign that this is not likely to be a fake identity. And more sections mean you'll have more actionable insight about the subject. Every data element appearing on a Pipl Search results page has source attribution, which is displayed here. And every source in the list has a data card. These data cards contain timestamps and other valuable metadata. Use the icon in the upper right to copy data card content, including the record ID, so you can add and share source information with other applications in your workflow. Another way Pipl Search users can make results available for sharing with other systems is to print reports, save them as PDF files, or create PostScript data streams that can be ported to other systems. Simply select your preferred report format, click Print, and you're all set. Pipl Search has many uses, so the results page is smartly structured to keep workflows flowing. The first sections of the profile contain information that's most commonly used for fast-paced use cases, such as data verification, often called a reverse lookup. In this example, a user wants to confirm details about the owner of an email address. And without multiple search fields to fill in or results tabs to navigate, all of the online identity information matching the email is displayed, starting with the profile's header. Just as before, hovering over an element will show the data card. The card for this first element contains timestamps, quick facts, and sources. And from this information, it's easy to see that the email address matches a bona fide identity record. It has tenure, density, and many cross-reference sources. As you can see, the header data quickly answers questions related to verification use cases, including this location history map. Click here to scroll through photos. And because the system has matched the email address to the subject's social media accounts, corresponding links for these are displayed in the header section. Many applications require quick insight about contact information, location histories, or online IDs associated with social media accounts. But unlike other research tools, no additional navigation is needed to dig into important details. For example, if an email address is labeled as a business domain, Pipl provides key company information in the data card. Again, keep in mind, it's always easy to copy information into a case file or another application for sharing. And there's no need to return to the search screen if you want to view the online identity information behind each attribute. This is another great feature that speeds investigations and uncovers additional insights. Phone numbers are also labeled. The data card for the mobile number displays the age, type, carrier information, and again, a list of all the sources that confirm this number is connected to your subject. In contrast, profiles that lack these rich insights can be flagged or escalated as needed. While the social icons in the header section provided links to social accounts, this next section contains the actual usernames and metadata related to each account. With the growing use of social sign-ons to access web accounts, this information is critical to many verification workflows. Another key verification use case is to assure that customer information provided during an online transaction isn't part of an identity fraud attempt, such as an account takeover. To speed this process up, there is an advanced search screen where the billing, shipping, and contact information can be entered or pre-populated and sent to the system as a single query. When the Results For section, located at the top left, lists all of the query parameters, it's a fast and clear indication that the order can be approved. If not, then further investigation may be needed. If you've used other services to look up location information about a subject, then you know those tools are mostly limited to locations where the person has lived or worked. Pipl Search reveals locations where there is a digital connection between the person and the place. For example, here we see a person's location connected to a state record and a patent application. Location information plays a key role in many verification use cases, but just like the rest of the sections below, it also provides actionable information for other types of research and investigation. For example, here you can see the system linking our subject to a physical address. And you can see a list of other profiles that share a connection to this same location. This is a great feature for verifying relationships and locating subjects in a number of use cases. Further down the profile are sections where you can see a variety of information about a subject's career, education, aliases, and other people they're associated with. There's also cars, skills, and other web-based content that can add context and proof-of-life detail. You'll also find a list of possibly related results just below the profile. These are matches that may be related to your query, but with a lower degree of confidence. In the lower right, users can reach out for support or search the knowledge base for admin or user documentation and video tips. Find out how to empower your team with online identity information from Pipl. Our experts are here to help.